Hi students, today we have to discuss the workbook activity of our chapter Baswas Farm. We already discussed the textbook activity of this chapter. Okay, so you want to read the textbook carefully, and after that you want to read the summary of this lesson that is given at the beginning of this chapter in your workbook. So carefully read the textbook and also summary of this chapter. After that, you should read the questions carefully in your workbook. Is the question for you? So listen to the question. What does Baswa's father use Gundi spade for? It is the implement used for farming. The word Gundi is used in northern state. It's an implement used for farming. In our area, we use spade. In English, we use spade for this implement. What is the use? The question is, what is the use of this implement spade for farming? So, you can find it from your textbook by reading. Okay, to dig the soil, it helps to loosen the soil. Khundi is used for loosen the soil by digging. Okay, next one. How did he sow the seeds? How Baswa's father sow the seeds? How it is? He sowed seeds with the help of kurik pulled by bullocks. It is also another name kurik is used for plough in northern state. Okay, kurik is Hindi word. It is used in northern state. In English, plough. Okay, so plough is connected with bullock, and bullock is pulled this kurik. It helps to loosen the soil and also to make a way in the field. So the Baswa's father or the farmers sowed the seeds but after ploughing the field. Okay, he sowed the seeds with the help of kurik pulled by bullocks. Okay, the next one. How many days after the seeds were sown, the sprouts came out? How many days take to came out the sprouts? Okay, about 20 days. About 20 days. Then, why should the weeds be removed? What is meant by weeds? Weeds is another name for plants that grown without any plantation. So weeds came out without any plantation, so we should remove it. Weeds must be removed, otherwise it will take up all the water and fertilizer given to the main crop. Okay, that is why we should remove the weeds in proper time. Okay, then take the next page. You can see another question. So read it carefully. How did Baswa's father come to know that the onions are ready to be taken out? What is the answer? You can find it in your textbook. When leaves turn to yellow color. Okay, when the leaves of the onion turn to yellow color. Okay, this is the identification to take out the onions from the field. Okay, next one. Why should onion be taken out at the right time? Otherwise, what happen? Otherwise, what would be happen to that onion? Otherwise, it will rot in the ground. You should read your textbook to find the answer. Otherwise, it will rot in the ground. So Baswa's father or other farmers should take the onion at the right time. Otherwise, it will rot in the field. Then, why is Baswa's family happy? Why is Baswa's family happy? Is a time. What was that time? Because they got big and healthy onions. That is why Baswa's family get happy. they got big and healthy onions. The next one, what is illig used for? Illig is another implement used to farming. It is another implement, illig. It is sickle. It is the Hindi name for sickle. So what is the use? To cut dried leaves from the top of the onion. Okay, to cut dried leaves from onion. Then what will Baswa's father do with onions? What will Baswa's father do with onions? Baswa's father will send the onions in the market. They sell the onions in the market to get price for that. And that is the way of life of Baswa's family. Okay, another activity is filling the blanks. Another activity is filling the blanks. Look at your workbook and read the sentences. Baswa's father is a dash. He lives in dash village in dash. Baswa's father is a farmer. Baswa's father is a farmer. He lives in Belvaniga village. He lives in Belvaniga village in Karnataka. Then in the month of July, he starts preparation for sowing the onion crop. Okay. Read your textbook carefully and you will get it. In the month of July, he starts preparation for sowing the onion crop. Then Kundi is an iron rod used to dig the soil. It's an iron rod used to dig the soil. The next one, then Baswa's father planted dash seeds in the soil. Which was the seed? It is onion seed. Onion seeds in the soil. Then dash is used for sprinkling the seeds. Kurig is also another implement that we already discussed. Kurig is used for sprinkling the seeds. The next one also came up along with the sprouts, which is that weeds. Weeds also came up along with the sprouts. We must be remove it, otherwise it will take up the all fertilizer and water that we provided for the other main crop. Okay. Then if there are too many weeds, what happens? Then there will be unhealthy onion plants. Unhealthy onion plants. Then last one, leaf is a sharp tool. The leaf is a sharp tool used to cut the dried leaves. The leaf is a sharp tool used to cut the dried leaves. Okay, you want to fill these blanks in your workbook and study it well. Okay, then listen to the next question. Write the journey of onions from Baswa's farm to the market in a paragraph. You have to write the answer of this question in your own words. Okay, but it is a model for a reference. Onion seeds started to grow by absorbing water and fertilizer from the soil. It was in Belvaniga village in Karnataka. After sowing the seeds, it taken 20 days to tame the sprouts out. After some weeks, the color of the leaves changed to yellow. The Baswa's family taken the onion seeds out and the dried leaves were removed by using sickle. Then they collected the onion in sacks and transported to the market by means of a truck. It's the journey of onion from Baswa's farm to market. So you have to write these sentences in your workbook and also in your notebook. Then look at the next question. It is true or false. Put a tick mark on the correct statement and a cross mark on the incorrect ones. Okay, read the first one. Baswa goes with his father to the farm to help him. Is it true or false? Baswa goes with his father to the farm to help his father. Yes, it is true. Then, it is not important to drop the right quantity of seeds. It is important, but here it is not important. So it is false. Okay. The next one, weeds take up the water and fertilizer from the soil. It is true. Okay. Then Baswa may not go to school for some days as he has to help his father. Is it true? Yes. Then the onions were not big and healthy. This is not true. The onions were big and healthy. So it is false. Then the last one, onions were carried to the market in a truck. Yes, it is true. Onions were carried to the market in a truck. Okay, by Baswa's father. Then another question is match the following. You want to read these two columns properly and match the appropriate one to the appropriate one in column B. Okay, match it. First one, Gundi. What is the use of this implement? What is the use? It is to dig the soil. To dig the soil and to loosen it. The next one, Bullock. Bullock is used to pull the onions. The next one, Quig. What is the use of Quig? It is to sprinkle the seeds. Okay, sprinkle the seeds in the field. The next one, weeds. What is weeds? It is plants that grow in the field without being planted. Next one, leaf. It is to cut the dried leaves from the top of the onion. These are the things to match in column B. Okay, do it carefully.